Future Eye's LED motorcycle fog lights deliver a tightly focused, even beam that makes night riding and foul weather feel much more controlled and less stressful. The combination of high beam, low beam, daytime running light, and strobe options lets you tailor the lighting to city commutes, highway touring, or technical off-road sections. Solid aluminum housings and quality light-emitting diode chips keep heat under control, and together with the high waterproof rating, stand up well to rain, mud, and dust. The included wiring harness with battery protection and plug-and-play connections makes installation straightforward while integrating cleanly with factory handlebar switches. Adjustable mounting hardware fits a wide range of crash bar diameters, so these lights work just as well on motorcycles as on all-terrain vehicles, utility task vehicles, and similar machines. Overall, these fog lights feel like a thoughtfully engineered upgrade that meaningfully boosts visibility, safety, and confidence for serious riders.